The Stop Djvu Ransomware group continues to grow and frustrate new victims with another addition to the family, Miia Ransomware. Like its sister variants, Miia Ransomware renders its victims' files inaccessible, including photos, music, documents, as well as video data. Miia Ransomware spreads via several methods that include phishing campaigns, bundled software, and malicious websites. Once installed, the victim's files are encrypted using the AES-256 encryption algorithm. The ransomware will further append the .miia extension to the encrypted files, which is the basis for its name. Affected users will also find a ransom note on their desktop that asks victims to pay $980 to restore the files. According to the note, the ransom demand can be cut in half to $490 if communication via helpteam@mail.ch or helpmanager@airmail.cc is established within 72 hours after infection. Should victims contact the hackers using the provided emails, MIIA's ransomware operators will offer to decrypt one file for free to prove their ability to unlock all affected files. Paying the ransom or even establishing contact with the hackers is not advisable, as there is no guarantee that you will ever receive a file decryptor and gain access to your files. How do I deal with an MIIA ransomware attack? We strongly suggest victims of MIIA ransomware scan for and remove elements of this dangerous ransomware by using a reputable malware remediation tool. You can also protect yourself from future attacks by keeping copies of your critical files on either a cloud drive or an external hard drive. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like SpyHunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. SpyHunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. SpyHunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the SpyHunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. SpyHunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download SpyHunter today. Thanks for watching.